For all over the world, from 2017, all these places were banned. They were forbidden forever. Because from 2017, in all over the world, TikTok, this app was raised, and the new concept of making short videos in vertical direction of 30 seconds to 1 minute was introduced. Later this was banned because they were from China, and from China only coronavirus was spread due to the pandemic. And but later in YouTube, Instagram and Facebook in 2020 and 2021, this shorts concept came sooner. Because of that, people became beanbag. Obesity occurred. Obesity means the state in which the people are very fat and they can't control their weight. If they also stop eating, then also their weight increases, because they don't have any exercise. They just sit at one place and scroll. We have always heard that a coin has two sides of advantages and disadvantages. But in this case of Reels, I think that it only has disadvantages. Because if knowledge comes, you will say that we can gather knowledge in 1 minute or 30 seconds, but the speaker in that video cannot speak and cannot share all of his knowledge with us. Because of that, we get flew away with just few of the knowledge, and then many misconceptions occur. Also, when we see some business idea and that on the YouTube shorts, then we just take that half of the knowledge and many losses can occur in our business. You know friends that our what time is exchanged by this reel watching, that is reading. Watching something new on YouTube and doing something innovative for this world in the time when the people who are just scrolling reels, when they can do something innovative, they can do something innovation, they are wasting their time. The concentration value of humans was on the first number before 2017, before reels were introduced, and monkey were on the second number. But now after reels were introduced, monkeys have came on the first number and humans have got on second number. Shame on humans that their concentration value has reduced to such an extent. Now only 5 seconds are remaining as a concentration value with humans. That means they can concentrate on a thing for just 5 seconds. I also watch these all reels only on YouTube shorts, but I also don't get it that what pleasure I get from it. Now you can't quit watching that shorts and reels, but you can do one thing: reduce this time as far as possible. I think that you should watch it only 15 to 20 minutes, because people take it for 3 to 4 hours. I think that it should not go that far. So lastly, I would like to repeat with me the sentences. So first sentence is that we will reduce the time of reel watching as far as possible. In the remaining time, we will try to do something innovative and watch on YouTube as well, but the full videos, take full knowledge and do something innovative. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.